Hello, my kittens. Hi, how are you? How you doing? How is your day going? Because my day has been spectacular and I am so excited for today's review. So if you guys haven't heard, Miss JACLYN Hill is back and she released a series of surprise gift sets that are limited edition. It only came out for just the moment. And guys, when I tell you they were sold out like that, they were sold out within the first minute of the launch. Okay guys, I tried to get the new JACLYN Hill gift sets that just came out literally at 2 o'clock just now. And guys, everything was sold out within the first minute. I am not kidding. But luckily, I was still able to get my hands on the lip lock gift set and I have it right here. And I know that it comes with 3 liquid lips and it also comes with 1 lip gloss. We are going to be looking at the packaging. I'm going to be swatching all the different colors on my lips so you guys can see. And we're just going to have a fun time breaking down this gift set. But before we start, I just want to announce that we have finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Woo! Yes. Oh my goodness, guys. The day has finally come and I am over the moon, so happy and so excited. And I just wanted to say thank you to all of my kittens for supporting me and giving me so much love throughout the couple of months that I've been doing this. You guys have made it so fun and I cannot wait to continue and just keep getting bigger and bigger and adding to our family. So thank you guys so very much. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and review the new JACLYN Hill liquid lips. So this is what the gift set looks like. I'll go a little bit closer so you guys can see. It has her JACLYN name on it. And then when you open up the box, we get to see the packaging of her liquid lips. This is what her liquid lip packaging looks like. It's a red ombre packaging, which is so pretty and it has little sparkles. And then inside you have the 3 different shades of the liquid lips. And we're gonna get into that in a second, but this is what it looks like, and all of the shade names and the color of the liquid lips are right here on top. So it is so pretty and I cannot wait to dive in. So I have all 3 liquid lips right here, and guys, oh my goodness, I am already in love with the packaging. Don't you just love this chrome red moment? It's just so pretty. And also, these liquid lips feel very weighted. Like, this doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It feels like glass or just a maybe sturdier plastic, but they don't feel cheap, which is a bonus. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm already in love with these liquid lips, but we all know it's all about the formula, so let's go ahead and get into that. So I have wiped off my lip gloss and I am ready to put on some liquid lips. So the first shade we are trying is called Clingy. And this one is the lightest red out of the 3. So let's see how it looks. And guys, I forgot to mention, these are matte liquid lips. So let's see how it feels. Okay guys, so this is shade Clingy. What do you think? I think it's very pretty. I think it's like a shade lighter than what I'm used to, but I think the color is very pretty. So my first impressions are, obviously since this is a matte formula, when you put it on, it does feel kind of drying, but like that's how it is for matte lipsticks. Also, this is a liquid lip that is very buildable. And what I mean by buildable is that when you put the first coat on your lips, it's not like boom, like red colored. It's very just like soft, and then you can kind of put as many coats as you want on top of it to increase the vibrancy. So let's see if this liquid lip is kiss proof. So, and ooh, okay, yep, nothing came off. This liquid lip is not going anywhere. I can go take a run around the block, I can go eat some tacos, and this liquid lip is staying on, which is such a bonus, and I love that so much. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe this shade off and we'll move into the second shade. Another thing I wanna point out is even though this is a super stay liquid lip, it actually comes off very easily with a makeup wipe. So it wasn't like I had to scrub it off my lips. And yeah, it was very easy. But let's go ahead and get into the second shade. And this is called Committed. This is what shade Committed looks like, by the way. Like I said, this is the second deepest red out of the 3. So I'm gonna put this one on my lips. Okay, this is shade Committed. so pretty. I think that this one would probably be my go-to one. Like I said, the first one, Clingy, was a little bit too bright, but this one is so pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Also, I forgot to mention that these liquid lips smell so good. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers or like strawberry candy, but like a very, very light fragrance of that. It's not like too sweet where it smells like legit candy, but like it does have a very nice smell. Ooh, that smells so yummy. Okay, let's move into the last shade. Now we have the final liquid lip in the trio, and this is called Boy Bye. This is what it looks like, and this is the deepest red out of the three. And once again, I'm going to put this on my lips. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, so I definitely lied. I think that this shade is going to be my go-to shade. I love a deep red lipstick. This is my go-to color. This is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I think that this one would have to be my favorite shade. I also like this one better because since it is a deeper shade, you don't see a lot of like the streakiness. It just looks more like together compared to this first one, Clingy. You don't see any imperfections. It's just a nice matte lipstick. It blends in. It looks so good with my skin tone. And yeah, this one I will probably be wearing every day and in every video if you guys want to know in the future. Guys, let me know down in the comments which shade was your favorite. But with that being said, we have tested out all the liquid lips, so I think it's time to try out the final product, and that is her lip gloss. So this is her new glitter gloss, and it comes in the same beautiful red ombre packaging as the liquid lips, and the shade is called 24 Karat. So I'm probably guessing that it's going to be gold glitter, but let's go ahead and find out. So this is what the 24 karat gloss looks like. This one is different because this time it comes in a rectangular packaging instead of the cylinder packaging like the liquid lip. And this is what it looks like, guys. It is a nice, pretty gold gloss, and I cannot wait to put this on my lips because my lips are like, we need some moisture. We need some H2O or something. So let me go ahead and put this on. Ooh, okay. This is what the applicator looks like, if you wanted to know, by the way. Let me go ahead and put it on. This is what the gloss looks like, and guys, oh, it feels so good. It's not sticky, it's not tacky, it feels very lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I have a gloss on, but look how great it made my lips look. And I'm gonna go a little bit closer, so hopefully you guys can see like the little reflexes of gold. I'll try to see if you guys can see it. Can you guys see it? Like right here? It's very nice, very subtle. It's not like too much gold where it ruins the whole look. It is absolutely perfect, and yeah, this is also gonna be another thing that I use a lot. But let me tell you guys my final thoughts. So as you guys already know, I absolutely love these liquid lips. I think that JACLYN Hill has redeemed herself 1000%, and I cannot wait for her to release more liquid lips. And I really enjoyed the two deeper colors, aka Boy Bye and then also Committed. And I also really liked Clingy, but it was like a shade too light for my taste, but it might be perfect for someone else. But also with that, the only thing that I would knock off is that since this is a lighter pigment, it was easier for me to see more of the streaks and stuff compared to these two. So if you are using Clingy, you'd have to probably go over it maybe 2 to 3 times so there's no like patches or streakiness. But like I said, guys, I have nothing to complain about. I have no problems with these liquid lips. I think they are fantastic, and round of applause for JACLYN Hill. She has made her comeback. And you guys already know that I am obsessed with the lip gloss. I have nothing bad to say about this one. I can't wait to put this in my purse as well. Also, I forgot to mention that I'm actually wearing JACLYN Hill's highlighters right now. And if you haven't seen the video of me reviewing her highlighter collection, then I would definitely check that out. Alrighty, my kittens, that is it for today's video. I had so much fun reviewing these liquid lips with you. And guys, I feel so pretty right now. And thank you so much for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. You do not understand how much it means to me, and I appreciate every single one of you. But with that being said, I just wanted to say I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!